everyone. Often we feel that it's almost impossible to remember everything we read or hear in our classes. That's why students almost always take notes. By writing down the essentials of a lesson, you can review the notes later to study, piece together the complicated parts you did not understand the first time, and reinforce your learning. Today, I am going to share a few note-taking techniques which can help you in preparing your lessons effectively. Outlining. The outlining note-taking method uses headings and bullet points to organize topics. This method is most useful when learning about topics that include a lot of details. Each section starts with the heading of the main topic, followed by the subtopic, keywords, examples, or supporting fact which are written underneath the proper heading. CORNELL method. In this method, you divide your paper into 3 sections: notes, cues, and summary. The cue section can be filled out with main points, people, or potential test questions. Use this section to give yourself cues to help you remember larger ideas. Your notes section is for the notes you take during your class. Fill up the notes section with doodles, diagrams, page references, and whatever else you need to properly represent the material presented in the class. And then use the summary section to summarize the entire lecture. Charting. Charting is a particular type of note-taking that works best when multiple topics are discussed simultaneously, as with comparisons or when one topic is dissected into multiple parts, for example, pros and cons. You divide your page into 2 or more columns, with each column assigned to a single topic. Mind mapping. It is my personal favorite. Basically, it's for visual thinkers. This note-taking technique utilizes branching graphs to organize information in a way that's easy to group and comprehend. The page is organized by topic. The main topics branch out into subtopics with detailed information about each. So, dear friends, follow any of these methods or a combination of them to prepare your notes more effectively. And to know how you can get the most out of your notes, stay tuned for the next video.